The government says a sum of cash donated through the Support Jamaica portal will go towards purchasing building materials for Jamaicans whose homes were damaged or destroyed by Hurricane Melissa. The decision was made by Cabinet at its most recent meeting. Additionally, Jamaicans worried about how relief supplies are being shared will, in a matter of days, be able to track the distribution of aid. Details in this report.
It's been exactly 5 weeks since Hurricane Melissa ripped through sections of Jamaica. The scale of the devastation prompted a humanitarian relief effort from NGOs, the diaspora, international partners and celebrities to help Jamaicans rebuild. But the outpouring of support has led to questions about who is getting what and when. The government says it wants to be transparent, and in a matter of days, the public will be able to track how the state is distributing aid.
Within 2 weeks, could be as early as next week, you will have a framework within which to see everything that has come in, all donations that have come, and where they have gone. And I'm very interested in that because I've seen some preliminary data that shows that this notion of partisanship is actually very, very incorrect. It may be partisanship in the other direction. And so when that data comes, you will see exactly which communities, which constituencies got the majority of the aid.
An explanation too about how funds donated using the state's Relief and Recovery portal will reach Jamaicans.
The funds in Support Jamaica will be used to purchase building material to support the rebuilding effort. Now that's important because you heard here also that we are going to be doing a lot of the assessments, and Ministry of Labor has already started doing assessments in the field. So they're going out, they're looking at which houses have been damaged, doing the geolocation, they're tagging them, and so we'll be able to know which houses have been damaged. And so the money will be used to buy material that can then be traced to the individuals who have gotten it.
On the topic of money reaching Jamaicans, many persons in Western Jamaica are still struggling to get cash from ATMs weeks later.
Thus far, in the parishes of St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, St. James, these have seen above 50% restoration rates for ATMs and remittance companies. The parishes of Hanover is at 20% and Trelawny is at 47%. So we continue to support that multi-sectorial rollout pertinent to bringing back remittances and banking stations online.
As it relates to the other needs of affected Jamaicans, the state says it has deployed an additional 12 water trucks to take water to communities daily. At present, 60,000 NWC customers in affected areas in Western Jamaica remain without water. Additionally, nearly all health centers and hospitals across the country, 97%, now have electricity and are again operational. As for households,
the Jamaica Public Service is now at some 80% of restoration, and the national work continues on the national grid. This is one of the fastest restoration rates we've seen, given all disasters across multiple countries. Telecommunications, I'll report that over 90% of post-Melissa traffic is back online through Digicel and Flow. They continue with their restorations. In terms of the education sector, I'll indicate now that some 73 schools continue to house shelteries.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.